Invisible wall! We still have invisible walls here. Can't go to that waterfall and slide down. Did I try to jump down too many times and it broke the game? What? What kind of a transition was that? Wait, where am I? Oh. So they didn't even let me cross the bridge, they just... Wait, he drowns too? I need to jump down a waterfall. Wait, what? Wait, I go in the water and he just spawns. Nope, I'm guessing this, I can actually drown in this waterfall, but not the first waterfall that I see. Great job, game. Wait, I'm teleported again. Are they gonna teleport me back to the place because I... What? I don't get it. I actually don't get it.